초부닝보, 초부닝보, 로 몽고 침벌이. 야마처럼 메글로 건질이야. 지도 안다 가래. 기겐
이시던
가.
남게 캠보 아니 다이쿠소 다이압냠도 데비 세링
캠부죠 가서. 이 림보 모셔버려. 르토그 족부래. 맞아 족부 제시. 다 간다 네. 점물이 간래야. 미. 다 동주 된 계지에 대비디 상월로 시디 냠내 전에 대투야지. 다 내 내가 당고되지. 뭐나 전에 점물이 간다. 거스는다. 멍루스야다 매버지기. 뭐냐 전에기. 점물이 미리도 상월로 미치규리 가다 지속 정신시 차대도 전에 미치기 자와데 시부지 개셔버리셔.
So we have to, Your Holiness, to report on our progress in Tibet House in the U.S. to preserve and protect and promote and present the precious culture of Tibet, the Buddhist culture of Tibet.
While we remain in India and America like Tibet House, people really eager how to develop peace of mind. So we have now new opportunity to share some of century-old our tradition to develop heartedness without touching Buddhism or religion, secular way. I feel we have better opportunity to discuss how to develop real inner peace. When we were in Tibet, only limited area, now become refugee, new opportunity to share century-old our thinking to develop warm-heartedness here. We usually call bodhicitta, altruism. So far, I really made some contribution regarding peace of mind. And meantime, my friend like Tibet House, number of people, so promoting peace of mind. Nothing to do with politics, simply human quality, warm-heartedness. So we are thinking now we should have more Tibet House. So it is really worthwhile how much contribution from our own tradition, from our own experience to bring inner peace and peace of mind. Nothing to do with religion, but secular basis. Okay, thank you.
Your Holiness, one of our new board members, Mr. Sebastian Zuckman, where he's here, is from Argentina originally, although he lives-
Argentina.
Yeah, Argentina. So we traveled with him to Argentina and gave some lectures. And there are some people maybe interested eventually in making Tibet House Argentina. So we have this in mind for Spanish-speaking people.
Previously, people call Dalai Lama of Tibet. Now, at least for some reason, Dalai Lama of world. So I totally dedicated
Yes.
whole world, whole human being. We should be happy one. Happy, not through external thing, but here internal
Yes.
altruism.
Yes. Your Holiness, by being Dalai Lama of the world does not decrease, it doesn't lessen being Dalai Lama of Tibet, because we want Tibet to again return to be itself and present itself in the world. And we would like to come again with even more friends next April, March, and talk about the glaciers in Tibet.
That is one serious matter.
Yes.
Now, next few decades, the global warming really become because this world warmer and warmer climate. That is serious matter. So, judging that, whole humanity's future, say, time limited. So while we still alive, we should build happy human society. Okay.
Your Holiness, this is a wonderful group of individuals, entrepreneurs, former ambassadors, people who are deeply inspired by you and thinking of how to make the world better. And we often visualize Your Holiness as one of the stewards of the world. And so we wanted to pass this.
Okay. Thank you.
We're so happy to try to help. Amala and I are 81 years old now. We're a little younger than you, but we're getting into the 80s. And we don't intend to quit working. We're going to go on until next life, if necessary.
Now, and China also now really changing. So some Chinese who familiar about our knowledge and our activities, some of these Chinese say, we China invaded Tibet. Now there is a real opportunity. Tibetan Buddhism can invade whole China. So now things really much changed. Our principle is warm-heartedness. Different nationality, different country, even different religion. These are secondary. Most important, we all same human being. We have to live together on this planet. Our aim also is the same, genuine peaceful world. So, I fully committed to create genuine peaceful world on the basis of concept oneness of 7 to 8 billion. We are same human brothers, sisters. We have to live together happily. Okay. Thank you.